The word almost is very useful. It helps you talk about things that are very close to happening but not quite there yet. Almost means nearly or close to something, but not completely or exactly. It shows something is very near to the limit. A common mistake is to use almost with exact numbers or absolute facts. For example, she is almost 5 years old is wrong. Instead, say she is almost 5 years old for age or time near that. Almost is often used before verbs, adjectives, or numbers. For example, you say almost finished, almost ready, or almost 10 o'clock. It shows something is very close. I almost missed the bus. She almost won the game. The cup is almost full. It is almost raining outside. Tom was late for school. He almost missed his class because he woke up 5 minutes late. Luckily, he caught the bus just in time. Think of almost as standing at the door but not fully inside. You are very close but not completely there. Now you know how to use almost. Try to make sentences and practice this word today.